taking the effort to do the registration of copyright, obviously you are creating the public record for the copyright claim. It is a prima facie evidence. You will get the certificate. You will get the, once you do the you will apply for the copyright registration. You will get diary number. Then examination will be there, and then the copyright will be registered, and then you will get the certificate. Fine. So it is a prima facie evidence for the that copyright is there. So if unfortunately if any dispute arises, and if that copyright, maybe generally you see cinematographic film is there, the film is maybe of 90 minutes or something like that, or around that, but still like that 90 minute to 120 minute or some 150 minute, that is creating maybe 100 crores, maybe 200 crores, we never know. So if that much we can say the fortune creation is there, it is like generally in film industry you can say that the copyright registration is definitely done, because that is a prima facie evidence that you are the owner of that particular creation.